He is just the goofy, silly one that doesn't care. It is time for dinner. Cooking with Rachel and James. Are you ready? Hopefully, I can get back on the schedule of editing and uploading the night before. And that is the most random grocery haul I think I've ever done. The sun is shining. It's beautiful out today.
I know.
You look mad about it. Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogtober Day number 11. It is Sunday. We are getting ready to watch church online because I need to finish editing yesterday's vlog, and I'm not feeling yesterday's vlog. I'm not feeling today, just because I have to edit this vlog, but then I have to somehow get something for this vlog for you guys. And then we're like at 6:30, I'm basically done vlogging for the day because we have like this big like group game that we're doing. I don't know. So I don't feel like I can really vlog that. James would tell me, do whatever you want, but like, I'm not gonna put people on camera if they don't.
You could vlog the game without getting any people in it.
That's true. Maybe I could do that, but I just feel a little flustered because I'm like, I don't know what to do in today's vlog. I was gonna do like a Sunday reset sort of video, but I don't know if we'll even have time to go to the grocery store today.
Well, I have to find time to at least get food for tomorrow.
It's true. So maybe there'll be like a grocery haul. I don't know. I'll just take you along with my day and we'll see what happens. But right now, we're having smoothies. I don't know if you can really see it. James made smoothies. We have our church stuff streaming online that's getting ready to start in like 6 minutes. And I've just been trying to like kind of go through yesterday's vlog and get the clips ready and all of that fun stuff. So I think James is going to go to second service to help. And I'm just going to stay home and get my video up because it's really important to me that I keep that 1 p.m. upload schedule as much as I can. So, yeah. Oh, and then there's Dixie. Just wanting to be in my lap. So anyway, I just wanted to pop on and say good morning. I'm going to get back to working on the vlog that goes up today. And then we're going to watch church. And I'll pop back in when I'm done with all that. Alright guys, as you can tell, it is later in the day. I got the video up, thank goodness. James went to second service church to help out. Second service, that sounds weird. James went to church for second service to help out in children's church because that's what we normally do. But I stayed home because I wanted to make sure that I got the vlog up at 1 p.m. So that's good. Hopefully I can get back on the schedule of editing and uploading the night before. That won't happen tonight, obviously, but like hopefully the rest of the week and like next weekend, we'll get back on like a good schedule. But the important thing is I got that video up at 1 p.m. So anyway, we just got back from the grocery store. We were gonna do a big, like our big grocery shop, but honestly, I don't even know like what we have going on in like the fridge and the pantry and everything. And I was like, let's just get a couple of things, and that way we can get through till tomorrow, and tomorrow night we're gonna grocery shop. So I think that's the plan because I can't meal plan right now. I'm just like, I can't. My brain is just not, you know?
I know.
You look mad about it. So anyway, I'm gonna show you guys the most random grocery haul you've ever seen. Let's go. Okay guys, here's the most random grocery haul you've ever seen. So we needed more toilet paper, so obviously we got some toilet paper. We have a like wasp hornet situation. We have a nest on the front porch, and then we also have something going on the back because there's several of them, and they're really getting on my nerves because when I go outside they like fly up in my face. They like haven't stung us and whatever, but they just like kind of get in your space and it's bothering us. So James got this because he's gonna deal with that apparently. Then I have been looking for this for a while, and I found it at the grocery store. It's like a dishwasher cleaner, and I just want to clean our dishwasher because it just always seems gross to me. So I'm excited about that. We got another power wash refill in the green apple scent because we are about to be out of that. We got some of this Primal Kitchen sauce for our fettuccine, and I think that's what we're gonna have tonight for dinner. And then we got some more acai packs because we've been really enjoying smoothies in the morning, and these are like the unsweetened ones. So you guys know I'm trying to stick close to paleo, and I know smoothies are not paleo technically, but you know, I'm trying to stick as close as I can to that, but I also am not, because I have peanut butter and stuff too, but it's a cleaner version. So I'm just trying to like make better choices and not be so strict, but I mostly eat paleo, other than the potatoes apparently aren't paleo, but they are Whole30, which is why I eat them. And every time I do the Whole30, I literally eat potatoes every single day, and I still end up losing weight. So I don't think potatoes are bad. Like I don't have an issue with potatoes. Then we have some zucchini, and like I said, some potatoes. This is for dinner tomorrow night. We're gonna have chicken. We have some in the fridge, so we have chicken, zucchini, and potatoes. And then we have the stuff for smoothies in the morning, this for dinner tonight, and we have leftover pizza for lunch tomorrow. And that is the most random grocery haul I think I've ever done on any of my channels, in any of my videos. Like, it's just so random. But we just needed a couple things, so we got those few things, and now it is almost 3 o'clock. I'm gonna put all this stuff away, and then I don't know what I think we're gonna take Dixie on a walk, actually, because the sun is shining. It's beautiful out today, and so I think we're gonna take her on a walk just because she's not been able to go in so long. So we're gonna take her on a walk and then probably do a little bit of cleaning. We just have like stuff from last night, you know, or this morning, dishes and whatnot. So I think we're gonna kind of tidy up, and then we have to be over at his parents' house at 6:30 for the game night. So yeah, it's just a busy Sunday, and I just kind of want to like have a little bit of time just to chill before I have to like be social again, because I'm just not a social person. So this takes a lot of energy out of me, and the fact that we've now had plans 3 nights in a row is just like a little much. Would you like to go on a walk? Oh yes. Dixie's like, oh my gosh. And okay, let's go. Let's go on a walk. Are you ready? Be free. All right, guys, it is time for dinner. Cooking with Rachel and James. Are you ready? So James is just kind of like got some chicken going. I asked him to grill it. This isn't really grilling per se.
Oh, I guess I could have got the grill out. I wasn't thinking.
That's what I thought you were gonna do, and then you're like, nope. But it works. I mean, it's fine. It's gonna be fine. Then we have some water boiling, or almost boiling here. And then we have this fettuccine. It is an almond flour fettuccine, and it is so good, you guys. So good. And that is super loud. That chicken needs to calm down. We have this from Primal Kitchen, and it's actually pretty good. It does taste a little bit different than like your traditional sauce, but I still think it's good. What's your review of it?
I like this sauce. It's good. It doesn't taste like what your normal like white fettuccine sauce, but I think I like it better. Okay. Yeah, it is not as like dairy creamy tasting, which I like because like I don't eat a lot of dairy anymore. So yeah. I think she's like way overpowers stuff too much now. So I like that it's not as like creamy. Yeah. So I mean, it is really good, but if you're expecting it to taste just like traditional, it doesn't. But I don't feel sick after eating this, and so that's a win for me. So yeah, that's what we're having, and then we're gonna add the chicken, like cut it up and put it in here and just try something new today.
it's time to eat this delicious dinner. I'm very, very excited to have this again. We have tried it, not with the chicken, but we have tried the other stuff and it's really, really good. So I'm pretty pumped about this dinner. And we have an hour before we have to go over for game night. So we need to eat and then clean up the kitchen real quick and then go off to game night. Okay, update. James agreed to vlog for me, but he's gonna use his phone. So there might be a slight change. I don't know if you guys will even be able to notice in quality. Like not bad, but it just might be a little bit different because it's gonna be filmed from his phone and not, I'm not gonna bring my camera because it's kind of big and it can't fit in my pocket and I don't wanna like forget it. Even though it's like at his parents' house, so it's not that big of a deal if I leave my camera there, we can just go back over. But yeah, it's just gonna make me feel a lot better if James vlogs for me on his phone. I know this is like so ridiculous, but they're more like, most of them are like more his friends and he's like known them forever and like, I don't know. It's like, I don't know how to explain it because some of them are my friends and then some of them I'm like, don't really know as well, or you know what I mean? So it's just, I'm just gonna let James do it. He is just the goofy, silly one that doesn't care, which is awesome, and I need to be more like that. And since being with him, I am a little bit more like that, but I'm definitely goofy, but like only around people I'm comfortable with, whereas James is just like, he doesn't really care who's around, he's just gonna be goofy. And all that to say, there's gonna be a little bit of a quality change in the next clip because it will be filmed on his phone. So I'm very grateful that he's gonna do that for me though. All right, see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so we are back home now. We won the game. It's like a group game where you all have to work together or like the zombies are gonna get you or whatever. So we won, thank goodness. So that was fun and it took forever. Like I think we started the game around like 7 and it seriously was like, I don't know, probably 9:45, 10 o'clock before it ended. Maybe not quite 10 o'clock, but definitely like 9:30, 9:45, somewhere around in there. So it was a very long game, but Dixie's crying because she just wants me to throw her toy. I know, hi, I know. Did you miss us? Oh my gosh. Did you miss us? Get your ball, bring it over here. So anyway, we are home now. James got a couple clips on his phone where I will insert for you guys, or I have already done that. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna edit this, but he got a couple clips so you guys can kind of see like the board and like the game pieces and everything. It's a cool game. It's not like my favorite game, but like it was fun. Tonight was fun. So I am exhausted though because 3 nights of hanging out with friends and I'm just like, okay, I need a break. But tomorrow I'm actually going to get my nails done with one of my other friends. Well, the friends that we hung out with on Friday. So I'm hanging out with that friend. And we're getting our nails done tomorrow. So I'm still going to be like hanging out with people again tomorrow, which is totally fine. Like it's fine. So yeah. Tomorrow's gonna be crazy, but hopefully a little bit more, I don't know. I don't want to say more interesting, but I will be doing some shop-related work stuff in the morning, so hopefully that will be fun. So I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a little all out of sorts, but that was just literally how my Sunday was. So I hope you guys still enjoyed this kind of more chill Sunday vlog. Yeah. Hopefully it was good for you guys. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you want to see more Vlogtober videos. I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogtober Day 12. Yeah, Vlogtober Day 12. Bye, guys.